Rip cone lang tayo for off-hand activation. Here's the pattern natin. Hold the cone first. First pattern natin, place and grab lunge. Every third pound. 1, 2, boys. Here's the Last 6. On the third pound, isa natin ito. Pero mag-add tayo na over. Pagka-place natin, pound, over, block and grab. Yeah! Perfect! Nice one! Okay, 5 to the left, 5 to the right. Yeah, that's 5 opposite and then direct. Activate your... Ito lang. 2 JB. You just added plus over lang. Hand exchange cross. Para ka na kaya. 20. So always start sa center kasi most of the guys dinitry namin dito nag-start tapos naka-open na. Ang problem, Andre, so pag ganito na, inesigit niya si drop yung power, hindi na ganun ka-powerful. Like kapag skinny kayo, from skinny to wide, powerful siya. Drop foot replacement. Drop foot replacement. Yan yung perfect eh. Mag-feel mo. Let go. Yan. 7 na nga ba? Up, 1 4, good job, Dre. This is single leg replacement, this is foot replacement. Pag dalawang paa, foot replacement. Pag isang paa, single leg replacement. So from single leg replacement to drop tayo. Drop, single leg. Kanina foot replacement ginamit natin eh. Drop, single leg replacement. Sumunod natin. Yan na yan. Yeah! Drop. We call this spin seal. Ito spin move. Since we added the word seal, para kayo nagsiseal. Patalikod ako sa basket. Instead na gagawin ko yung normal na spin, isi-seal ko yung spin ko. So, this position. Yeah. Prepare ka ba? Same footwork pa rin. Release, then switch. So, ano yun? Yan na. Dribble release, spin. Outside leg. Basta kung saan yung ball side, outside leg. So pag dilipat ko yung bola dito, this becomes my outside leg, inside leg. Outside interpretation gagawin natin. Outside leg, landa ko yung full drop. So, boom, drop, step in to my shot. Step in. Bang!